So you're probably going to think I'm absolutely out of my mind when I share this with you, but hang in there. I think it's going to make some sense for you. As you can see, it's snowing. My name's Trip. What I do is I help craft brewers achieve their dreams, do the marketing and type of things that they want to do. Dedicated helping you folks. That's why I'm here. And one of the things I want to talk about, as you can see, it's extremely cold and it's snowing. And this is an opportunity for you. Yeah, that's why I think you're probably going to say I'm crazy. This is a great opportunity for you as a craft beer owner to establish a bond with the people who love your beer and hopefully folks who haven't found you yet.
Man, I love beer.
And the way to do that is simply by making an introduction, offering what you have, being kind, being friendly. And how would I do that? Customer list. If you don't have that, follow me along. I'll teach you how to grow that. But your customer list is social. You want to put posts out there today. If you were in a situation in a town like mine, one of my local craft brewers, and invite me on in. Invite me to come, get warm, get some company. Recognize that it's a tough day to be out and about. But if you come to your craft brewery, it's going to be warm, comfortable, inviting, and friendly. Show images of it if you're doing social, but invite folks in, suggest food, suggest situations like, let me not get run over. That would be my last tip, probably if I got run over, but you want to invite folks in, want to have them come, and food pairings if you got food, but certainly beer situations, but extend an invitation and let them know that it's going to be warm and happy. A lot of folks get snowed in and unhappy, so go ahead and do that. Open up yourself to your people, interact with them, and most importantly, invite them to come on down. Hey, I'm Trip. Give me a follow. Keep learning how to make your business thrive.